now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and start oiling the parts of the firearm. So we'll go ahead and grab ourselves lubricating oil, and we'll go ahead and grab ourselves a new patch, and let's start with the barrel. Okay, most importantly. So we'll go ahead and switch this off, get rid of that, and go with the eyelet. Now what you want to do is go ahead and fold this into a triangle. Stick that in there like so, and grab yourself. Let's go ahead and coat that. Alright. Go ahead and lubricate your barrel. Just in and out. Look at that. Some bluish, greenish crap that's in there. New ones. We can do the same thing with the SIG. I'll just go ahead and lubricate that. Now what you want to go ahead is look down the barrel, and with the light showing, you would see it very shiny, and that's what you're trying to aim for. All right. So got that taken care of. Now, of course, you want to coat the outer portion of the barrel. So we'll just do that. We'll do a little dab of that with the oil, and just go ahead and lightly coat the barrel here, and of course the feed ramp. Okay, same thing with the SIGs. Lightly coat that. Now, I ask myself the question: how much is too much of the coating? Well, I was told that if you go ahead and put your finger right there and leave a fingerprint, and if it shows the imprint of your finger, that means it's just right. Okay, so I didn't coat it too much, but we'll just go ahead and level the excess right here, and try to get rid of the excess here. So leave that there. Leave that level. Same thing with the other one. Alright, that's done. Okay, so let's move on to the tension rod and the spring. Okay, so go ahead and grab ourselves a new patch again. And lightly coat us so, and we'll just do that. Lightly coat the spring as well.